Cockroaches are sneaky pests that have no problem making themselves at home in your space. Here are a few tips to keep cockroaches out of your house. 1. Seal cracks and gaps. Make it as difficult as possible for cockroaches to get into your home. Check for cracks and holes and seal any you find. 2. Remove food sources. Clean up crumbs and keep food in sealed containers to keep hungry cockroaches away. 3. Reduce moisture. Cockroaches need moisture. Repair leaky pipes and eliminate moisture buildup to deter cockroach activity. 4. Eliminate clutter. Cockroaches like to hide in dark areas, and clutter provides them with the perfect place. Keep things clean and organized. 5. Use plant-based insecticide sprays. Our Ant Roach Killer spray kills cockroaches on contact and provides you with residual repellency. 6. Use a bait. Our Roach Killer gel bait attracts and kills cockroaches, helping to eliminate the cockroaches you see and the ones you don't. For more helpful tips and pest information, be sure to follow us and visit our website at maggiesfarmproducts.com.